Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lori in Spokane. Today is Monday, September 18th, 2017. Our overview this week, we had a front that moved through today. We have a chance of showers again tomorrow. Another system that moves through on Wednesday. Showers, unsettled weather continues Thursday and Friday. And then for the weekend, it looks like we can see some drier and warmer weather. So our dry streak finally ends at 80 days. So we last had rain on June 28th, and we measured rainfall on the 17th before midnight, just before midnight. On Sunday night, we measured rainfall. So our dry streak will end at 80 days for the Spokane area. Looking at our precipitation we had the last 7 days, you can see western Montana, western and central Montana had quite a bit of rain the last 7 days, and that has definitely helped with the smoke that we've had the last week and a half that infiltrated much of eastern Washington and North Idaho. Looking at the next slide, you can see the wildfires across western Montana. So a lot of those wildfires across western Montana and central Idaho, you can see they had a lot of rain over the last 7 days, and so those fires it really helped a lot of those fires. And now you can see this was the 7-day total ending at 5 a.m. this morning. So you can see that front that went through Washington and Idaho Sunday night into Monday morning, ending at 5 a.m. at least. You can see for the central part of the state, at least the east slopes of the Cascades into the Waterville Plateau, the Okanagan Valley, and Highlands here, they did not measure any precipitation at all. And other areas, parts of the Deep Basin into northeast Washington, they had very little as well. Areas across extreme eastern Washington, southeast Washington, and the Idaho Panhandle, they did pick up more. This map might not be representative because they had more precipitation after 5 a.m. So they had more precipitation after this map was made after 5 a.m. So they, like Spokane, had over 0.2 of an inch. Portions of the South Hill had 0.3 of an inch, 0.4 of an inch. There's some other locations in North Idaho that had 0.4 or almost a half an inch of rain as well. So we did have some good rain finally across portions of eastern Washington and North Idaho. So for Tuesday's system that's moving across the region, it's just another wave that moves across the region that's going to create some instability showers, and there will be a chance of showers pretty much everywhere across eastern Washington and North Idaho. And our temperatures will remain about 15 to 20 degrees below average for this time of the year. So that'll be valley temperatures in the 50s to low 60s. We have a system moving in on Wednesday as well, and this here is our image of chance of precipitation for Wednesday morning. And the system looks to be going a little bit further south than what we were thinking a few days ago. So the best chance of precipitation is going to be across the southern part of the state, Yakima, Tri-Cities, Walla Walla, down to Pullman, and then back up towards the central Idaho Panhandle. So they'll have the best chance of precipitation Wednesday morning. And then by the afternoon, the showers will become more convective and spotty in nature, and there will be a better chance of precipitation across most of eastern Washington and North Idaho, just your typical hit and miss showers that you see in the spring or fall across the region. Thursday and Friday, the unsettled weather continues across the region with a chance of showers mainly across the crest of the Cascades, northeast corner of Washington and the Idaho Panhandle each afternoon and early evening. So as that system exits Wednesday night, we get a ridge that kind of starts to build into the region, and our low temperatures have the potential to cool a little bit, and we could see some near freezing temperatures across our region. So Thursday through Saturday morning, this is the potential of what some of our temperatures could be across the region. It's going to vary quite a bit depending on expected cloud cover. So if some areas clear out during the evening or overnight hours, temperatures could cool down quite a bit. However, if we end up with some fog or some thicker cloud cover overnight, temperatures could be quite a bit warmer. So it will vary a little bit, and our forecast could change. But those typical northern colder valleys, such as Republic, Priest Lake, Priest River, Ione, Northport, Meadowing Falls, locations like that could definitely be below freezing temperatures. Cheney as well, Deer Park. Below freezing temperatures are quite possible Thursday through Saturday mornings. For this weekend, like I said, we get that ridge that builds in, so we will see dry conditions across the region. Temperatures warm back up towards average, not quite average, just a few degrees below average by Sunday. So valley temperatures in the mid-60s to low 70s. By Monday, I think we will see near average temperatures, and conditions will remain dry by next Monday as well. So our 8 to 14-day outlook for the Pacific Northwest calls for below average precipitation, and we will be trending warmer than average as far as temperatures go. So stay informed. So please, if you have any questions or anything, you feel free to ask questions on Facebook or Twitter. Otherwise, have a great week. Thank you for following us.